The tent is up. The lions are fed, mostly. And somewhere above the crowd, a man is arguing with gravity. Welcome to the circus. Here are 8 idioms from the carnival. Number 1, step right up. The barker's favorite words. Step right up means come closer, take your chance, and kindly ignore the fine print. Number 2, a 3-ring circus. Acrobats left, elephant center, fire jugglers right, and you trying to watch all 3. A 3-ring circus is chaos on every side at once. Number 3, the greatest show on earth. Every circus said it. One made it famous. The greatest show on earth means the biggest spectacle going, modesty not included. Number 4, a sideshow. The main tent has the elephants. The little tent has a man with a beard of bees. A sideshow is the distraction pulling attention from the real event. Number 5, walking a tightrope. 1 rope, 2 towers. No plan B. Walking a tightrope means balancing where a single mistake means the whole drop. Number 6, clowning around. The work is there. The big shoes are also there. The shoes win. Clowning around means fooling about instead of doing the job. Number 7, run away and join the circus. Every kid threatens it at least once, usually over vegetables. Running away to join the circus means escaping ordinary life for something absurd and wonderful. Number 8, the show must go on. The tent leaks, the lion is moody. The trapeze artist has hiccups, doesn't matter. The show must go on means no disaster cancels the performance. And that is 8 idioms from the big top. Step right up to the next video. It's the greatest one on earth, probably. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.